welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an autocomplete text box. Okay, so here we have a form. In this, I actually save the data of user and this form name is info. And here I save the first name, last name and the state of the user. So let me start this and it's taking a bit time. So here what I need is when I type state like Madhya Pradesh, then there needs to be a suggestion or just it autocomplete the text. So how to do that? So for that, first you need a text box. I have just searched in this toolbox. You just go to toolbox and search for text box and just drag and drop it here. And here you can see I'm just removing this because I have already one text box here and this is label. So just click on this text box and search for few things like autocomplete custom source, autocomplete mode, autocomplete source. So these three things we have to set it here. So first click on this autocomplete source and just click on this arrow, down arrow. And after that I'm defining this custom source. Okay, you can use these also, but I'm defining this custom source. After that, this is autocomplete mode. So which type of mode I want to use is I'm just using now suggest that it will only suggest but not append into your text box. Just suggest, I will set others too. And after that, in this autocomplete custom source, and this is a collection type, and just click on this, and here you can mention the list of state. Okay, so I have just copied this from internet. You can also just copy this. I'm just copying this and just paste this in here and just click on OK. Okay, so it's adding and now it's added. Oh, you can just cross check by clicking on this. Okay, so now it's added in this and just start it. So it's actually taking a bit time because my PC is almost full. So now here you can see this. Now I'm typing Jammu. Yeah, actually here you can see this. This is Jammu and Kashmir and it's showing suggestion for this, but it's not appending into this text box. When you click on this, it will be filled in this text box. I want that these data needs to be append instead of suggestion. How to do that? Just click on this and go to this autocomplete mode and just click on this and append and just start it. So here you can see this that when I'm typing Jammu and Kashmir, it's written into the text box. It means that it's appended into this text box. But what you need to do is, if you want that, it's append and also show the suggestions for more states. For that, you just need to click on this and just click on this and suggest and append and just click start and just click yes. Here you can see this, it's appended and also showing suggestion. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you understand it very clearly and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks.